Hi all. So I am going to show to now how to turn on aeroplane mode and Wi-Fi mode and change the settings and how to disconnect and connect the Wi-Fi. So here you can see you have the Wi-Fi connected to the system. So this is the network connected and it has been connected. You can disconnect or connect. So one more network also is on. You can connect to any of your network available. This is the way you can connect. So sometimes if you change to aeroplane mode, like you want to change by mistakenly, or sometimes you have changed to aeroplane mode, so Wi-Fi will turn off and sometimes it will not show at all. Wi-Fi only aeroplane mode will be shown, right? So I have faced like that problem. So nowadays people are mostly working on the work from home, so they are facing the airplane mode turn off option little bit difficult. So they want to turn on or turn on to Wi-Fi. That is been not happening. So for in that case, what you have to do means go to Windows. Here, here you can type as device manager. So here you can see device manager came and you can click on that one. So here you can see once the device manager is turned on, there will be human interfaces on. So you can click on that one and you can see here the complaints, and you can see one more thing, that's network adapter. So click on this wireless network and check whether it is correctly or not working or not. So it is showing us device is working properly. Sometimes it will show the error message. Here you can see. So if it is working for me, it's working fine, there is no error message. In case you do have any error message, just check on this touchpad, or you can open this one and close again. It will show the, see, it has changed to aeroplane mode. So now this will be turned on by default, and you can click on this the Wi-Fi and you can connect and you can turn off the aeroplane mode. So this is the way you can change your settings to from Wi-Fi and aeroplane mode. Okay, so I think this will be helpful for changing the settings from aeroplane mode off. Thank you.